Look at this place.
Yeah, it's a nice one.
How's it looking?
It looks pretty good.
So pretty much here's the deal. It's for sale by owner and we're trying to buy it pretty quick, so we have to come up with a budget today.
Gotcha.
I'm really curious what that is. It looks like an animal shed.
We're gonna find out in a second, aren't we? Wow, it's actually clean. There's no smell, there's no animals. Eesh, tiny kitchen and dining area. This is a weird kitchen.
Could be so nice though. Honestly, if you just blew out that wall right there, think about how big it would be. It's really actually not that bad.
Jake, just if we were to remodel this kitchen, existing layout, not move anything, what do you think? It'd be like 7 or 8,000?
8 to 10.
What if we were to change the layout, change the configuration, open up this wall right here?
That wall will add a good 6-7 grand just blowing that out, putting a beam in. And if we add some more cabinets, maybe another $1,000.
One thing to remember, the comps here are in the high 400s. So it's not a super high-end house, so we can make it look beautiful, but we can't spend too much money on things that aren't necessary. But that's an option.
Indoor laundry, that's nice.
That's huge. Huh, look at that water heater.
Weird.
That's awkward.
Oh, is this the bathroom?
Uh-oh. What?
This is not a second bathroom.
Oh no.
That's small.
So the guests have to go through the kitchen, through the laundry room, into the bathroom?
Yeah. Cost what, 600 bucks in there? 800 bucks?
We won't spend a lot. It's small, yeah, less than 1,000.
And then in here,
So you have a living room, and actually this could be a dining room.
yeah.
It's just a little bit awkward because that door, but you could still fit like a 4-top here.
I mean, it does have a fireplace, that's a nice selling point, but it has really ugly paneling, and these windows are kind of weird, but.
Well, I was just worried because they had the table in there that there wasn't going to be a set dining area, but this definitely would work.
Okay, so if we remodel the kitchen where that table is, we can do cabinets.
Yes.
If we buy this house, the first thing we would do is remove the wall between the kitchen and the living room to open up the space. The house has a nice layout with 3 bedrooms off the hallway, allowing easy access to the main bathroom.
It's so dark.
Huh. Oh, the toilet, something's,
I'm sliding.
the toilet's leaking. Oh. No.
It smells in here. The subfloor is probably shot.
I dare you to open it.
Yeah, no, that's not gonna happen. So, well, here's a good thing. It's a pretty big bathroom.
Not really. This is the only bathroom for all the bedrooms.
So if I were to guess, new tile, vanity, countertops, tile the shower, everything, we're looking about 8,000, 9,000.
You'll keep it at 7.
That's even better.
So this must be the master?
So just a normal bedroom.
Huh. Why is it so dark right here?
Oh, there's an awning coming down, a plastic. So pretty much whoever lived here didn't want anyone looking in.
Bedroom's a little small, a little bit bigger maybe.
There's no real master though, is there?
Yeah, no.
Let's go see what's outside.
All right.
What in the world is
what?
this? Oh my God, look, there's cameras everywhere.
Of course, there always has to be something weird.
There's
right?
cameras everywhere, but what are you filming?
You don't want to know.
I mean, this thing is huge though. Look, it goes all the way to the front of the house and it comes all the way to the back of the house.
It's making the house really dark.
It's gonna be unpermitted. It'll probably have to come down.
Okay, so what do you think it would run to take it down? About 1,500?
Top's 2 grand.
All right, let's look at the yard. You know, the yard's good. If we were just to clean up this landscaping back here, 2 grand?
If that, it's not bad.
Just as predicted, we got the house. The sellers accepted our all-cash, full-price offer. So now we're ready to get started on clearing the place out.
Hey,
Hey,
demo day.
yeah, let's tear this place up. Wall's gone. With demo complete, we're ready to move forward. Our project manager, Jake, has asked us to come by to discuss a potential issue with the second bathroom off the kitchen.
If we want to upgrade our toilet, we have to bring it up to code. We have to find a way somehow to get ourselves 24 inches of clearance in front of that toilet.
Well, could this go like in the attic or something?
This can't go in the attic, it could go outside, but by the time we move this and expand, it's gonna be pretty expensive.
How much?
Talking 3-4 grand.
Wait a minute, I got a question here. So the toilet and the sink are too close together.
That's it.
So, I mean, originally we were talking about like 700 or 800 to remodel the bathroom.
Yep.
So now we're talking about potentially 4,000 plus 700 or 800, that's almost 5 grand
Yeah.
for an unfunctional bathroom that you have to get to through the kitchen.
I wonder if this would work. You know, like when we visited your grandma in Belgium, how the bathrooms are tiny and they have those like little sinks that just go against the corner right here? Would something like that work? Just a small like corner sink?
That's not a bad idea. I think we'd be able to get the clearance we need.
If we can get the clearance, I mean, that's a home run. Please tell me.
I think we're in business.
No way.
Yeah.
Great idea. What's going on, Jake?
Yo, what's up, guys?
Man, it looks huge in here.
When can we take this down, though, the wall?
As soon as we get temporary walls up, we can do that. You know, we're putting in a beam up top.
So right now we have sink, dishwasher, stove, microwave, removing the window.
Correct.
Okay, so here's my only question, right? So we have to think curb appeal from the outside. I mean, this is a huge window in the front of the house. Is it gonna look weird if we close it up?
I think it's better to get the cabinet space that you guys want.
100% agree. This is taking over the whole kitchen. The outside will look fine. We can, you know.
We'll come up with something pretty.
Where's the fridge?
Fridge goes here.
Okay.
Much better.
Anything else in here? I think we got it.
Let's do it.
So what do you got there?
So I have some really cool samples. All right,
In budget.
in budget,
Good.
check them out. Flooring,
Okay, I like that.
countertops. We have like kind of a Calcutta marble. Has
That's
a little bit
nice.
of gold hints in it.
Okay.
And then backsplash, oversized subway.
Yeah, this is really cool. White cabinets, right?
Yes. You're gonna love it once it's in. All right, I'm gonna go get the
back to
kids.
work. All right, love you.
So I picked some materials. Jake put them in here for us. Here's what I'm thinking. We're gonna do a pattern of these 3.
Wouldn't it look better if we eliminated the brown one and just did the blue and the white?
This is gold, not brown. This is brown. We have to reincorporate it, and look how nicely it looks with that blue. It looks beautiful. And then I got penny rounds for the bathroom floor.
Man, your designs are getting kind of crazy, honey.
Getting kind of beautiful.
I guess it all matches.
See?
Yeah, that looks pretty cool.
So we'll do the same design as the kitchen as far as white cabinets, counters.
Love the glass octagons, love the pebbles. Got a design.
All right, I'll let Jake know.
Now that our design is set, it's time to get moving. We're getting the kitchen and bathroom cabinets installed. We're putting a pastel green subway tile around the fireplace. Hey, that tile's cool.
Yeah, I feel like the only thing we can do now is maybe do like a chunky mantle.
All right, so I'm gonna tell the guys to put a mantle right here.
Okay.
We're installing all of the bathroom materials, painting the house, and we've decided to do a drought-tolerant landscape design. Finally, the small corner sink for the bathroom has just arrived. It's actually smaller.
Well, you know what? Now we're able to have a toilet in here where someone can actually wash their hands after they use it.
All right, I'll get installed today. House has good curb appeal.
I hope we didn't overprice it.
Looks really nice.
It's gorgeous.
The house feels bigger too, I'm realizing now, because there's so many windows.
Yeah, the kitchen feels huge. Removing the wall, honestly, made night and day difference.
Overall, the window's gone, we have more backsplash, the kitchen's bigger, you have a straight shot to the fireplace.
I think my favorite part is we've never done this before, but I like how we did a subway tile for the kitchen backsplash and the fireplace. I think it ties together and it looks awesome.
The more that I look at the dining room, the bigger it seems to me.
Oh, I like what they did with the bathroom. I love this bubble tile on the floor.
Those tiles are so cool. Like if I'm gonna share a bathroom with my kids for 20 years, I don't mind sharing this bathroom with them.
Wow, that's a small sink. Huh? It works. Kept the tile right in here, same colors.
It's the smallest sink I've ever seen.
Well, it's a sink though.
There was a ton of interest in this house. In the end, we ended up selling the house for $510,000 for a profit of over $86,000. Time to find another house to flip.